Do you want to know how to enable or disable debug mode in WordPress website through cPanel? Then watch this video till then. First of all, friends, you need to log into your hosting account and go to File Manager. After that, you need to click on public.html. Scroll down and look for wp-config. This is wp-config.php. Right click on this and click on edit. Herein you will find this code, define wp-config false. It is available in most of the website, but in my case it is not available. In the coding you can see you cannot find this, and if you do not find it, do not need to worry at all. You can simply paste this code, which I will give in the description of as well. Above this line, WordPress database table prefix, above this, here you can just simply paste this code, and to enable it you need to remove false to true and click on save. So debug mode is now enabled, and if you want to disable it, you can simply click here and you can turn it to false and click on save. So you can simply enable and disable it from here by typing true and false, and this code I will share in the description of this video. Define wp-config, this code you can find in the description, and I hope now you will be able to do it, friends, using this trick. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.